Today's March 10th, 2017. We're doing a movement report for 3317 Perching Bird. We're going to do an exterior first. In testing out the irrigation, we found a broken line here we have to get fixed. And this being the prime season for weeds, we have a lot of weeds in the front and backyard we have to take care of on behalf of the tenant. Other than that, the plants are okay out here. Looks like we have multiple breaks going on inside. Garage seems pretty clean. Here's what we laid down here. We laid out kind of a mid-century tile. Looks really good. Kitchen's in good condition. Refrigerator's undersized. The tenant's going to put this in the garage just to store it. And that the kitchen's in good shape. Here's a flooring for the living room we also installed. House is clean, good condition. All the lights are working. Going out to the backyard, once again we have the weed issue. Seems very predominant here. A few dormant plants still. We're hoping that they'll come back to life really soon. Here's where all the weeds are right there. We're going to get that all cleaned up for the tenant. We go down to the master bedroom. We'll look at the bathroom first. We left the laminate in the bathrooms. The washer and dryer still in good condition. The washer is a new washing machine, but the dryer's been here for a while. Ceiling fan installed in the downstairs bedroom. I believe we have this carpet. Yeah, this carpet's brand new downstairs, so we're going to replace this one. Once again, we left the laminate down here as well. As we head upstairs, oh yeah, we put brand new carpets everywhere in this house. Going to the loft area. Everything here is clean. Bedroom number 2, upstairs, ceiling fan also recently installed. And since this house has new paint and new carpets and new flooring, really no concerns. So the only thing left original will be the laminates and the flooring. And finally, bedroom number 3. New ceiling fan as well. The large walk-in closet.